Hey everyone, Kevin here. So this is how Hissy Cat kicks back and relaxes on a hot summer day. Here it is, August, basically the first week of August. So, yeah, definitely relaxed. But it's 2019, first week of August, and Hissy has had way too much heat today. For some reason, she just really loves laying on her back like that, and that's how she stretches out, kicks back, handles the heat. She's an outside cat, so she don't really get to go in. But every time she gets really relaxed, this is how she likes to kick back, and she'll lay out, stretched out. Almost looks like roadkill at times when you see her. Hissy cat. Yeah, she's definitely out. It's so funny because when you see her laying, most of the time, if she's laying somewhere in the yard and everything, she's on her stomach. But when she gets up on the deck and starts stretching out, that's what she wants to do, is just roll over, and she just sprawls out like crazy. Oh, Hissy cat. Hissy cat. But anyway, we just wanted to share this with you on our Missouri Clark Life YouTube channel, and if anyone got a kick out of seeing Hissy Cat all kicked back and sprawled out, please give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family and everything. So, Hissy Cat, when she's awake, really likes talking to the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did we wake her up? Nope. I think she's just fine the way she is. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed seeing Hissy Cat while she's all kicked back, and talk to y'all later. Gotta love Missouri living. Talk to you later.